We're here at the Indiana Design Center, known for being a one-stop shop for anybody looking to build, remodel, and decorate your home. Let's go. Our first stop today is at Wiott Designs, and I'm so excited because Wiott is right here. The owner, the designer. Thank you for having us in this beautiful space.
Thank you. Thank you for being here.
Yeah, I can't help but notice the decor in the space we're sitting right now. Let's talk about some of the trends you may be seeing.
Well, as you can see, wallpaper is back. It's back in a better way. Not a ton of it, not borders and all those things, but just nice touches and pops of color for sure.
I love the way you've tied in all the different textures here and everything going on. So wallpaper is back. Anything else you're seeing design-wise?
We're seeing lots and lots of texture, texture on texture on texture, lots of what we call grandma chic. A very comfortable, warm kind of a feeling, like something you would have felt like going to grandma's house, which is nice. You know, we were in like a blown out white kind of a phase for a while. It's nice to see some textures and colors coming back.
Grandma chic. I could definitely get into that style. Now, for anybody who hasn't been to your shop here, you do a wide variety of services.
We do.
Yeah, let's talk about some of those.
We're a full-service interior architecture firm, essentially. We do anything from blueprint review, just to make sure that, you know, everything's looking good and it's going to flow when we start putting all the pretty finishes in there. We are certified kitchen designers as well, so we will just do kitchens, kitchen remodels, whatnot. We also do a lot of furniture and space planning, accessorizing, yeah, so we're pretty much whatever you need, we got it covered.
Yeah, everything from a full remodel to even if you just wanted to get some accessories for the fall and maybe a gift for somebody.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for having us in here.
Yeah.
I feel definitely inspired seeing this.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. And we're going to head to the next spot. All right, our next stop is at Aronstam Jewelers, and we're with Mark, the owner, and it is just beautiful in here. Thank you for having us.
Thank you for coming.
Let's talk about what you do, because you have a lot of really cool custom options here.
I basically tell people to bring me everything that they don't wear, that means something to them or whatever, and let me redesign it into something that means something. And especially when I'm doing engagement rings, I can take things that are multi-generational and put them together. Whatever, but I build true custom work because I build it from scratch.
This is so beautiful in here. My eyes are drawn to the different things because it's not just jewelry. There's a lot of artwork in here from all over the world.
Yep. I have everything from carved agate bowls to stone examples or stones geodes, everything. Large pieces. I have some clients who literally have special orders and have gotten ridiculously large pieces, and it's beauty out of the earth.
Somebody was thinking about coming by maybe for getting a gift for somebody. I'm sure you have a lot of different things you could show them.
I have a lot, and a lot of why I do a lot of the stones is because that's great for men's gifts. They just love it, absolutely love it. And, you know, just having something beautiful that resonates with you. When you look at it, you just look at them and smile.
So I know people can come and see you at the Fall Design Open House.
Yep. I tell people, bring me everything that they don't wear. And if you want to bring it in and get some ideas, come on.
And I heard you say, even if you wanted to bring the kids, you won't be mad if they touch some of the beautiful
God,
art.
no. I love introducing kids to this, you know, and it's like, I have twin boys, so I'm not afraid.
Thank you so much for showing us around. It is all absolutely gorgeous.
Thanks for coming.
And a lot to check out at the open house. Thank you.
Please. Thanks.
Well, that is just a sample of some of the things you can check out at the Fall Design Open House coming up September 28th from 5 to 7:30. Hope to see you there.